Hello everyone, how to tutors back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to capture anything like any math or any problem and how to get a solution through QANDA AI. So first of all you need to log in your app, then tap here the camera icon. So first of all maybe they need permission, so you need to take permission, so simply tap here. So you can see here I just write a book. So I'm just write something. You can see solution search and AI solution, so you'll get here. I'm just AI solution. Okay, so you just need to ask a question, sending image. So you can see here, let's see the analyze and how to get an answer. So okay, you can see, tap to continue. So they're explaining, but okay, let me check it. They're checking. So you can see here the count of grade. So you can see here the answer is 50, and actually answer is 50 here. And search solution, this is AI solution and this is the search solution. You can see here they give you solution, everything solution is here, you can see. So it's really easy and you'll get other solution through this app. Actually you can capture any picture.